Alright guys, I am horrible at trying to record stuff while I'm actually working on the car. I don't know, I'm just not used to it yet, I guess. I ended up putting the car back together, found out it was one tooth off on the timing, buttoned it all back up together. As you can see, everything's back on except for my valve cover. And do you want to know why it's not put back together? It's because I'm an idiot and I managed to break it right here, and it has a nice hairline crack going up here too. Here's a nice little piece. It's supposed to go right there. As you can see, I tried to have a buddy weld it. But fun fact, if for people that aren't into Evos or don't know about Evos, or maybe you have one and you don't know, Evo 9, at least Evo 9s, I'm pretty sure it's Evo 4 through 9s, valve covers are magnesium and not aluminum, or obviously not plastic like a lot of cars are. So magnesium, I had it up to one of my buddies that actually welds for a living, and he gave it a shot, kind of figured it wasn't going to work. It didn't work, but tried welding a little patch on there just to hold it, and then I was just going to JB weld the rest of it. But even that didn't work, just because of the I don't know a whole lot about welding, but he gave me an explanation on why it didn't work, and it made, sounded like it made sense. So that's where I am right now, and just lucky me, I might be the only Evo 9 registered in my county, so it's not like I can just, hey friend, come help me out. I just want to swap covers real quick so I can go to a car show. No, my closest friend has an Evo 8, and he's like 5 minutes down the road, but because I have VTEC, and I can't use Evo 8 stuff. So that's where we're at. Since I'm waiting on this valve cover, they're miraculously only $400 for a valve cover. Sucks ass. But since I got that, I'm gonna order the valve cover, and I already have the intake valves, the valve seals coming in. I'm probably just going to pull the head out and get the valves done, or the valve seals done, the easy way, by just removing the valve, or removing the head just completely off, and just replacing them extremely easily. It'll take like a half hour to replace all the valve seals with the head off. Since she's going to be down for a couple of days, it is Friday now, so obviously I can't get anything in the earliest until probably Tuesday. So, and I got a couple of days off, so I might as well put it to good use, and I'll just pull the whole head off. Hopefully I'll actually record a little bit more this time. I don't know, I probably won't, because I'm retarded like that. But that's what's going on, and I hope this video isn't too long. It shouldn't be, because it's whatever. You guys won't even watch it anyway, because it's stupid, just me talking about dumb stuff. So that's what's going on with old Ella, and guys, stay tuned for the next one.